Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a curry leaves powder for rice, even for idli and dosa at your home. So let's start the recipe. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a curry leaves powder, which is very good for our health. And this recipe is very good for rice, even for idli and dosa. So let's start the recipe. First thing, I'm going to harvest the fresh curry leaves from this tree. So I harvested this much of curry leaves from this curry leaves plant, and what I'm going to do, guys, so I will show you the full recipe. And so take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and for this recipe we don't require that much of oil. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil, and in this I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of urad dal, because for this much of curry leaves I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of urad dal. So here I added 4 to 5 tablespoons of urad dal. In this I'm adding the hing powder, which gives a nice flavor in this curry leaves powder. So we have to fry this urad dal until it becomes light brown in color. After that we have to add the red chilli. So I'm going to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color. So it started becoming light brown in color, and I'm going to add this red chilli. So here I added 7 to 8 red chillies, and we have to fry these red chillies along with the urad dal for 2 to 3 minutes. So can you see, guys, it started becoming light brown in color and nice aroma is coming. And if the aroma is coming, we have to switch off the flame, guys. So yeah, and now it's time to add these curry leaves, and we have to dry roast these curry leaves until it becomes crisp. So we have to dry roast these curry leaves separately, guys, not with the urad dal. So the curry leaves started becoming very less in quantity. So that means we have to switch off the flame, guys. And this curry leaves is very crisp now. So yeah. So when it becomes cool down, we have to grind it in the blender. So we have to grind everything separately. First we have to grind this urad dal and the red chili. Then after that I will add the curry leaves into this, and we have to make a smooth powder. So I grind this very smooth powder, guys, by adding salt, and yeah, don't use the hand. So the curry leaves powder is ready, guys, and you can store these curry leaves for even 1 year, guys. So yeah, and I will show you how to serve this curry leaves powder with the rice. So here I put the rice in the serving plate, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add little bit of ghee in the top of the rice. If you want to add oil, you can add oil also. And I'm going to sprinkle this curry leaves powder. And we have to mix this one. So this is my lunch, guys. So here is the curry leaves rice, and here is the eggplant, and here is the papad, which I kept in the microwave. So this is very healthy meal, and healthy recipe also. Yeah. So one interesting recipe is coming, guys. How to make a curry leaf chettinad kolambu at your home. So yeah, see you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.